Hi, my name is Rayhan Abdul Rahiman. I'm the MD and CEO of Make Your Own Perfume, or MYOP. MYOP is a D2C perfume brand that sells high quality value for money fragrances in India. We have 50 plus retail outlets across India and 2 in Mauritius. MYOP is a perfume bar. What that fundamentally means that we do not sell pre-packed perfumes, or the customer can customize, mix and make a unique fragrance. We as an organization believe that smell is a very personal. Let's say if a customer comes to our store and wanted to mix 2 perfumes and create a unique fragrance, there is no standard billing application that is available in the market that will suit to this purpose. So what happened was, as a result, we couldn't use any of the standard ERPs or standard point of sale solution that is available in the market. And what we ended up discovering was Creator was a very powerful platform that helped us solve this problem in a very efficient and a fast manner. In Creator, every single process of MYOP, right from the purchase, procurement, to the inventory transfers, to the sales, is all done in Creator. And Creator gave us that capability to build dynamic products on the go, so that the customer can get what they want. At the same time, we have a very detailed analysis of the inventory that we are shelling out for this product. It also lets us calculate what is the GP on this case, because GP of the product dynamically varies from what ingredients goes into the perfume. And that's where we started. And we are at a stage where every single process, and I'm not exaggerating with this, every single process at an organization is done through Creator. So let's say sales targets, incentive calculations, all these processes. I can name 100 processes right now. All of them, if you look at it, is all automated through Creator. Creator helps you create a standard flow, make sure the user does not make a lot of mistakes. The user only sees what they are relevant to that particular user in that particular context. So we can create very strong workflows wherein the particular transactions goes through that workflows, and we get very accurate transaction in Creator. Our Zoho Creator is also fully integrated with Zoho Books, so that we also get actual accounting data such as a profit and loss and balance sheet as a result of these transactions that has been punched into Creator. We have built a number of solutions in Creator. ERP is our major solution. We have a small HR application that is built for, that is again integrated with other Zoho applications. So whenever an employee comes in, we needed to trigger a Zoho sign agreement with them for them to sign the offer letter. That is done through Zoho Creator and the Zoho sign integration. We also have created a very interesting small application called the internal portal app. That is the application that we use for task tracking. So one of the biggest problems that we faced as we grow, now we are a 260 member team, is a lot of people come with a lot of things. And into action, a lot of things doesn't convert into action. So we were using some applications such as ClickUp to manage the task, but there was no strong review system. So we actually built a small module in Creator, which actually has a very robust reviewing system in tasks. So I can assign a task to someone and I can mark myself as a reviewer, so that when they complete a task, it comes back to me as for the review. Only when a reviewer closes the task, it actually gets completed. So as we grow, a lot of things was just falling through our fingers, not getting captured properly. So once we did this portal app, it became a lot easier. You could just assign tasks to people and track it really efficiently. What was the committed due date? What is the actual completion date? Where are we lagging? Those things were really, really helpful. We have built a custom module in Creator, which is the inventory intelligence module that we say. It automatically looks at all the transactional data, all the seasonal data, and then automatically populates what is the perfume requirement of the outlet. So from a retail store perspective, the retail store manager just has to go to inventory request module, just select his store, and system automatically pre-fills what are the perfumes that he has to stock. We have 50 outlets, which is one procurement manager. For the 50 retail stores, all their inventory transfer is just handled by one retail coordinator, because they have to raise a request, and the point of contact retail coordinator has just to look at the data, which gives them the entire insight that they have requested for 1,000 units. They already have 500 units. What is the sales? What is the sales for last 6 months? And it becomes so seamless process for them to just approve that, so that the warehouse can dispatch the product. In this generation, when you're doing business, efficiency is key, because if you don't efficiently manage our inventory, our sales, you're going to lose money there. So in the history of MYOP, we have roughly done sales of around 100 crores right now. And the total inventory that we have lost is just 12 lakhs. And that is thanks to Creator. And you have to understand that's a product with an expiry. Perfume is an expiry product. So because we efficiently plan our inventory and procure as per the demand, we were strictly able to maintain that low inventory loss. So we had 2 accountants when we had 10 outlets. We have 50 outlets, we have only 3 accountants. Why? Because Creator does a lot of heavy lifting. Whenever a store does a cash deposit, It is just again driven through Creator, where they initiate a request. It goes to the finance manager for approval. He just looks at this record, he clicks and approve. Automatically a journal is posted to books and the reconciliation is done. So it's such kind of lot of automations every single places have clearly won. When all these are possible, without Creator, we would not be able to scale it at this level.